Make your hair black forever using henna hair dye.
It's time to apply my henna hair mask. I have already washed my hair and I washed it in sections and I washed it using my Head and Shoulder shampoo. Now, this is what the hair mask looks like. Very muddy, very earthy. I am going to be applying this to my hair in sections, and after 2 hours, I'm going to wash it out using conditioner. I am wearing a black top because this process is extremely messy and henna leaves permanent stains, so I do not want to wreck any of my light colored cloths. So I'm going to start first with the black. This is the first section. Ladies, if your nails have been pressed, do not do this because, like I said, this leaves permanent stains. This is going to wreck whatever press that you have on. So I tend to do this when my nails are free. If you really want to do this mask, if you really want to do this treatment on your hair but your nails are done, wait till you get them out before you do it, or get someone that doesn't have any press on to do it for you, or get gloves. So this is what it's looking like. Go in. Wow. The fenugreek in this is giving it tons of slip and it's holding everything together. Make sure to get your roots, get in there, get your scalp as well, because this treatment is very good for the scalp. Get in there. Yeah, I am massaging this into my scalp. See, don't be worried about this staining your skin. You can wash it out. Okay. See, as people, they look me like sardine. This is the last section and the entire process took me 10 minutes. I don't know if it's because I'm sitting in front of a camera, but this has been the easiest henna application process in my entire life, honestly. Maybe because I'm now, used to it. Practice makes improvement, but it's less messy. It's still very messy though, but it's less messy this time around. It's more coordinated, and I don't know. Don't forget your edges. Wow, that was a huge glove, like laying it down like edge control. Oh, yeah, get in there, and again, your scalp. I'm going to take what's left, put that all over my hair. Do you see how this is rubbing all over my top? This is why it's important to use a dark colored top when doing this type of treatment. You peep that hang time. Whoa! Go length. We have been applied, dyed, and laid to the side. My hair is fully weighed down by the mask. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving this in for about 2 hours. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. This is the back. Very much weighed down. Okay, see you guys in 2 hours. I just finished washing out the conditioner. I just finished washing out my henna hair treatment and I used conditioner to wash it out. Because of the fenugreek that was in that joint, my hair is very much hydrated, very much conditioned. It is not dry in any way, shape or form. Now I am going to be deep conditioning with my Smooth Organics hair mayonnaise. Deep conditioning for me is a must. I do this on every single wash day. Now I did a comparison video last week, or you see it in my last video. I was comparing this with the Sazi Botanicals hair mayonnaise, and this one I am going to continue using the Sazi Botanicals, but only when my hair is in braids, because the treatment does work. It's just that the application is hellfire. The application is too much sugar is involved in the application of the conditioner. So deep conditioning a must, and try using high quality products or good quality products. Good quality does not necessarily mean expensive. This product here costs 2,200 naira and it comes in a big jar. I have very long hair and I foresee this lasting me for about 6 uses. When detangling my hair, I always have to use some type of detangling tool, and my detangling tool of choice is a detangling brush. I have a detangling comb, but detangling my hair from the top, from bottom to top, like detangling my whole head of hair using solely a comb, is not the best for my hair. It's extremely painful for my scalp. I prefer to use the comb when I am detangling like really small sections, or maybe when I want to you know ensure that there are no tangles after going in first with a comb. So detangling tools for me definitely a must. Now see, I'm done detangling with the brush. I am just going to go in to verify and clarify, that there are no tangles. So everything is going, no tangles so far, and no breakage. Hot oil treatments is something I definitely believe in, but I tend to do my hot oil treatments differently. I do not apply the oil to my dirty hair, detangle, then wash it out, because these oils are very expensive. I rather apply them to my hair during the deep conditioning process, just to elevate the deep conditioner. Yeah, helps with moisture retention. So hot oil treatments definitely is a must. Hot oil, the oil of my choice is either coconut oil or West African palm kernel oil. Deep conditioning with heat is also very beneficial. It's like helping you to achieve more with less time, or helping you to achieve more in less time. I would have used my bonnet attachment to do this deep conditioning treatment, but we no get light. Nepa, she have taken our light. My whole body is sandy, is messy, is gritty because of my henna hair treatment, so excuse that. I'm going to come back once I have rinsed this out, and it's going to be in for about 30 minutes. See you then. That's it for this video. If you liked, if you are interested in seeing more videos from me, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Cheers and love you.